Learn Catalan fast. Go equals.
anar,
English-Catalan verb sprint. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Catalan in a fun sprint? Let's make it stick and smile while we do it. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart companion for language breakthroughs. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free guides, drills, and more. Today we crack the verb, to go, English to Catalan, simple, rhythmic, and a bit silly so you remember it forever. Your goal today. You'll speak and understand the most common forms of to go in Catalan with confidence. Source words roll call. Go, I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it's going, we go, you go, plural, they go. Catalan toolkit.
anar, jo vaig, tu vas,
You go, singular.
ell va, ella va fent,
It's going.
anem, aneu,
You go, plural.
ells van.
Tip. In real life, you'll hear these everywhere, from metro signs to cafe chit-chat. Forms with rhythm. Clap or tap along, rhythm makes memory sticky. Ready? I go.
Jo vaig,
You go, sing.
tu vas,
He goes.
ell va,
She goes.
ella va,
We go.
anem,
You go, plural.
aneu,
They go.
ells van,
Infinitive, go.
anar,
Casual status, it's going.
va fent,
Chant it smooth.
jo vaig, tu vas, ell va, ella va, anem, aneu, ells van.
Your brain is dancing already. Mini dialogues. Let's drop you into tiny scenes you can act out right now. A. How's the project? B.
Va fent,
A. Ready? Let's go. B.
anem,
A. You go first, I go after. B. Okay.
tu vas,
Primer.
jo vaig,
Despre. A. He goes by bus, she goes on foot. B.
ell va,
An autobus.
ella va,
A pu. A. Where do we go? B.
anem,
Al park. If you're a group, you go this way.
aneu,
Rect I despre a la square. Narrator. It's Saturday and they go to the market.
ells van,
Al mercat, obviously for churros. Culture tip. A little culture color helps phrases lock in. In Catalonia, weekend hikers love to say,
anem,
right before the first step, it's the green light word. At Castellers, human towers, one nod from the leader and boom.
anem,
And the whole team moves as one. In small talk, calm VA often gets the chill reply.
va fent,
Like saying, it's going, calm and steady. Quick quiz, you've got this. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. No pressure, only progress. Translate, they go. Answer.
ells van,
Translate, we go. Answer.
anem,
How do you say, it's going? Answer.
va fent,
You go, plural, say it. Answer.
aneu,
He goes. Answer.
ell va,
She goes. Answer.
ella va,
I go. Answer.
jo vaig,
Go, infinitive. Answer.
anar,
You go, singular. Answer.
tu vas,
Fun challenge plus wrap up. Time for a tiny story using everything, you can do it. Challenge. Say a 2 to 3 line story that includes these English prompts. Go, I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it's going, we go, you go, plural, they go, sprinkling the Catalan.
anar, jo vaig, tu vas, ell va, ella va fent, anem, aneu, ells van.
Thanks for listening. Keep a daily micro practice. 2 minutes of out loud forms beats 20 minutes of silence. For more lessons, printables, and bite-sized drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time, and
aneb,
to your next win.